This is a 3-layer design cabin filter from Freshenopt Inc. Today, we are going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter for the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box and it's very easy to replace. Step 1. Open the glove box and lift up the 2 plastic tabs on the right and left sides. Slowly push down the glove box and detach it. Step 2. On the right side, there's a connection bar attached and we don't have to detach it. Keep it there, because that would be easier for us to reattach the glove box when we completing the replacement. Step 3. Check the cabin air filter location. For the VW Tiguan, the cabin air filter location is right here. Step 4. You can see there are 3 tabs on the cap. We just need to lift it up and do the replacement. Step 4 to 1. You may use a flat head screwdriver, or a flat plastic tab or an irony ruler to push the gaps between the tabs. Step 5. Now you can see the old cabin air filter right here. Make sure the arrow direction, because it's the direction for your car's airflow. Step 6. Pull out the used cabin air filter and check the old and new cabin air filter information and size. Step 7. When everything is correct, sliding in your new cabin air filter and take your cab. Make sure the honeycomb is facing outward. Step 8. Align the 3 tabs and push the cap in. Step 9. Find the 2 tabs on the right and left sides, lift up and make sure the small plastic things are under the tabs. Step 10. Push up the glove box and we've completed the replacement job. Let's do a quick comparison of old and new cabin air filters. The old one is originally coming with my vehicle. 1. The pleats are thinner than the new one and it looks like no activated carbon on it. 2. The material feels more like nylon plus polypropylene and the sides are softer. 3. The used cabin air filter has gone through 5 months and some parts are damaged by sands, small stones, dandelion, and leaves. Visit our website to order your filters today at www.freshenopt.ca.